How's it going? Naderate here. So we got a new vehicle. That's right. Boom! There she is. 2019 Ford Fusion SE 1.5 liter Eco Boost. Single turbo. Yeah. Can you guess which car we traded this in for? Yes, that's right, the lovely Canadian-made Equinox. I do apologize for the background noise, I cannot control that. Yes, ain't she a beaut? Oh yeah. Beautiful blue metallic with black cloth interior. This car was made in Mexico. Let's start off with the back end. Yes, nice spacious trunk. Folding rear seats. Even smells brand new. Nope, that just opens it. Got a backup camera like most cars. Capless fuel filler. Focus. There we go. Let me just see here. Come on. Wait a second. Ah, screw it. It's a little dirty, but what do you expect? It's a driver. That's right. 1,858 miles. Yeah. I don't remember what this car came with originally for mileage, but here's what it has now. Hold on. Has the Sync 3. No sunroof, like I said, 1.5 liter Eco Boost. Let me just turn off the radio real quick. Turn off the climate. And let's give her a listen. Smooth. Let's see. There we go. This is a nice car. Comfortable seats, as you can see. But this is the only feature of this car that I do not agree with. Jeez, this thing's having a hard time focusing. Maybe I've got stuff on the lens. You know what? We'll just go into manual focus. How about that? That's right. You see that Sport logo? It has the paddle shifters. And lane departure assistant with pre-collision. It has the dual zone climate control. Let's see. Oh yes, nice cold air conditioning. Haha. Let's just turn that off so we don't waste fuel. Let me just get you the option sheet. Yes, it has Ford Pass Connect. Let me show you what it originally cost before my dad got all the rebates and whatnot. $25,000 car. They give us, I think, $1,500 for the Equinox. Then we got all the rebates and 0% financing. But yeah, this is a nice car. Dual power seats. This is the feature that I also don't like. Dual tier glove box, just like the other car. Show you the back seat. Back seat's also pretty spacious. Let's just sit back here to get a feel for it. Rear vents, one of the biggest improvements in any modern car. Rear vents and a rear center armrest. No pass-through though. Decent leg room, tilting headrest. Just get rid of this. We are planning on ordering some nice floor mats for this car. WeatherTechs, just like we have in the other car, which I have a video to shoot of soon. Seat back pockets, typical. Remote start with the Ford Pass Connect. And, yeah, LED lighting. It's getting warm in here. But, yeah. That's the new car, 2019 Ford Fusion SE. 1.5 EcoBoost, automatic transmission. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Share it with your friends.